Hi kids, and today we are testing a new truck. Look at the moves, vroom vroom. It is unstoppable and it's spinning and spinning. Ogre joined in. He is the beast, vroom vroom, doing donuts. And oh, that one is still doing donuts. Rocks are everywhere. Vroom vroom. Oh, spinning, spinning. Isn't it amazing? Oh dear, nothing can stop it! Wow, that speed! Cameron is controlling it and he has no boundaries. Oh, Kyrie, Ogre is still doing donuts? No way! That takes forever! And that's amazing! Vroom, where's that guy going? What is it? Is that a red ramp? Vroom, vroom. Nothing can stop this truck, and that is incredible. Look at Ogre! Oh no, he's doing it again! Wow! Drifting and crushing, and rocks are flying from under the wheels. Now Ogre bumped and flipped. Red ramp and almost. Vroom. Oh, what? He bumped into the remote and still going? Drifting and bumping again? Vroom vroom, pushing. Oh dear, this truck is a monster. Wow, oh, cool jump. Backflip. Oh yeah, made it, almost made it. Oh, landing on the roof and vroom vroom. Oh, back and forth and back again. So Cameron is at the controls thinking, whoa, yeah, and he made it. What does Katie have? Oh, rocks? Oh, that is going to be interesting. Will anyone jump over the rocks? We'll see. Good job. All right. Will he? Will Ogre make it? Thinking. I'm not sure if he's going to do that. Rocks are sharp. Will his tires take the challenge? Oh, now Kyrie's at the controls. He is doing great. Oh. Donuts, the best moves. And dirt is everywhere. Trucks in the dirt, vroom.